Hi, Mini fans. First off, I want to start with a bit of an apology. I've not really been, not at all, been keeping up with the build on the channel. I just had a lot going off and felt I just wanted to get on with it without the pressure of trying to film everything. However, I've made some damn good progress. You're going to like what you see. Before I show you that, what I will say is that I've actually been documenting fairly well the progress on my Instagram account, which is, I'll put it below here, but it's race_mini. So please check it out, follow it, and I'll do the old predictable follow, share and like. Yeah. But so with no further ado, I shall show you the build. I think the last time you saw it, it was completely in bits, no paint, no engine, no anything. But let's whip the camera around. Okay, are you ready? There she is. As yet unnamed. This is my little build. So I'll show you the engine in a sec, but for now, I'll show you around. Single seater. Yes, the roof needs a polish, but it's modelled, it's not entirely finished. The look of it is modelled after Swift Tunes Willow, Willow 2, etc. So it's a willow green, Old English white stripes and roof. So it does need a polish up there. Not quite finished, but I'll show you around. Coming to the interior in a sec, but down the back we have some nice little rose petals, 10-inch on yokes. Hiding behind the rose petals we have some mini fin drums. Underneath we have some CAD, if you can just about catch them, alloy rear arms. Down at the front we have obviously the same wheels, and inside there we have a set of invisible Mini Sport 4-pot alloy. Probably get them underneath. There we go, just about. And some nice Spax shocks all round. Inside, we have a nice retro OMP seat. I didn't want to go for one of the cheap, off-the-shelf retro type seats because they're a bit crap. I'm not entirely sure I'm going to keep the cream door cards, but we'll see how this rolls. Obviously, I've not got the rear cards in yet, but there you'll see a fire suppression system from OMP as well, and that's plumbed into the engine bay. And down under the dash as well. Just up there we've got a nice Motor steering wheel and a Race Technologies Digital Dash 2. Again, local company, British made. I will attempt now to open the bonnet. Still going to put the window seal strips in. So let's undo the bonnet. Try and there we go. Now, can I get the bonnet strut down with one arm? I don't think I can, so I'm not going to try. So inside here we have 1293 Omega pistons, 11:1 compression, running a Weber 40, not 45 at the moment. So the head itself is actually standard for now. So when I eventually next year probably upgrade the head, I will. Sorry, when I upgrade the head, I will upgrade the carb as well. Runs really nicely actually. So my next video for you is on the road. So I'm going to leave that there. But yeah, check out Instagram race_mini.